This is a show for talented people who also know how to buy shoes and outfits and accessories. You can hate me, but you can't hate my outfits. So let me show you some nice things. You can mute it if you don't like me, it's fine. But look at these clothes. They're great. They're all from Martini Vintage. Woo! Oh my God. Let's look at these outfits. Vintage YSL. Getting caught on this glove. Ooh, look, honey. Honey baby. And then it buttons right there. I can't do it right now because it's got skirt. But baby, ooh. So cute. You know what happens when you push too hard? You get a pink sock. And if you're lucky, it's Gucci. Aren't they cute? Look how cute. So cute. They would go with this real good. But I'm not gonna put them on yet. Gotta leave them wanting more, like Gypsy Rose Lee said. I saw it, Andrew. You were great. Andrew. New jacket. Oh, but before this new jacket, look at this new belt. Baby, I'm seeing stars. There's a headband with like a She-Ra, and then, oh, I could save the world in this. It also fits my teeny tiny waist. Ow. Wrapped in my, I'm saying ow like it's attached. Did you hear that? Y'all went ow, ow. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Just a little something for when it gets wet. Ooh. Just a little. Cute, right? Just a little pride dress. Exactly. Beading. So beautiful, beautiful beading. So we need to cut this armpit a little bit. She's a little up there, but not real cute. Got these. The little Burberry man pants. They match a Dior suit jacket I have. New Gucci purse. New purse. Purse first. We got that. It's like embossed cheese, like metal. Ooh. Yes, clean soles. Ooh. This is all from these people at Martini Vintage. I'm obsessed with them. Martini Vintage is the spot to go in Dallas if you're gonna shop for cute stuff. Clearly. Look at all this stuff. Annie gave me a deal. I love it there. Dallas, go. Shop. So I know this isn't from Martini Vintage and it's a break from our regularly scheduled Martini Vintage programming on this video, but my good sister Layla McQueen, she is a wonderful makeup artist and she makes me lashes. Oh, so cute. Look. So cute. So cute. So cute. Look at these blue ones. Those. Lower lashes. Spiky black. Blue. Black. Blue. Layla McQueen. These are so good. Look at those. 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 Oh, I'm spent. Honestly, all the smart girls go to Layla. Bob, me, Layla, she paints herself. So hit her up for some lashes or some mug, baby. She'll get you together.